Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Noble Kurian. I am here to introduce my $75 lab. This is the first of episode of my $75 lab. I'm trying to establish a minimal lab with just $75 around. I approximately in Indian rupees around 5,000 rupees. I am trying to build up a lab. It is a challenging thing. I knew it. I am trying to make a research lab based on this much investment. That is what I am trying to do. This can't be considered as a very full-fledged lab. Most of the things will be DIY things. All these things will be there. So I am trying to build all the facilities needed for my research. My research is basically on melanin, bacterial melanin synthesis. So I am trying to set up a basic lab. I will be doing videos, constant videos. This is the first part of that. I have bought just about $30 things, and more than you can understand, it's a $45 things. Majority of the things are not brought yet. But for starting initial work, the basic things are ready now. So only I thought to do the first episode today, and various other episodes will be coming in the next days. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for to see my $75 research laboratory. I am trying to do very serious basic research in this lab. This is nothing. What you see behind me is the lab. Lab is nothing but a part of my cupboard. So I just taken a plastic sheet to protect the cupboard and chemicals from the dust or anything. Just a plastic sheet to cover that. It can be put down, and I just in order to show you people, I have just taken it up. So this is just a plastic sheet to cover my one part of the cupboard. That is I pretend like that this is my laminar airflow. I will try to basically my work is in microbiology. I will try to grow microbes. First, if the microbe production or microbial growth is sufficient or perfect, only I will proceed with the next of the work. I don't know how the work is going to be. That is why I will start with minimal things, about $30 chemicals and basic things. I have not instruments, not big instruments are there. Basic things I have brought, and with this I am going to start with this experiment. Be with me. I will show what all things which I have now for the present work. My first aim is to grow the bacteria. So basic things to grow the bacteria is with me. The plate count agar is with me, so that I can isolate the bacteria from various sources. And for that I just taken a conical flask. I think this is enough for making the agar, and just some petri plates I have just brought. This is petri plates. These plastic petri plates, polystyrene petri plates. I have just ordered for the bigger one, but it came like this. And I have just ordered some of the things online. That was one of my fault. With this money I can get very good glass petri plates from here at Bikaner. So I am now I thought I will order from online, but it was a mistake for me. I can get very good things here offline from shops. I have now linked with a shop here at Bikaner, so that I can get all the things needed, and the spirit lamp, the basic things which we need. I need to buy a loop, and it is not needed now. That is why I have not. I just want to check first whether I can culture the bacteria. Then only I can forward with the loop everything. So I don't need a loop now. That's why I have not bought. And some methanol for spirit, this for the spirit lamp. And here I brought one this thermometer, and other thing is a pipette, Borosil pipette. I will try to buy mostly the most good quality things only. I'm trying to minimize the amount budget, but still I need to buy the best things only. So this is a thermometer, and this is a normal pipette. I'll be buying more micro pipettes as we goes on, and few test tubes for serial dilution. All these things we need test tubes. Test tubes is important things, and for me the measurements, everything is very important. So I bought some pH paper. pH meter is also cheaper. I will be buying one. Presently, as I'm using this media. This media. This is no need of checking pH or anything. When I am coming to the melanin production only, I need precise pH checking. So then I will buy one. Then this is a pocket pocket measuring scale. I will show it in detail. Weighing balance is an important thing which we need in lab. So buying a new weighing balance is too difficult for me. So I have brought a small instrument which can be used as a weighing balance. I will show it. It's very cheap. I will try to add the prices and where I bought everything in the description. You can see this is a mini weighing balance. I can just switch on the power button. You can see you can weigh. Just a second, it will come. As it came. It may not be properly seen in the video. We can do all the things in this area. I think this area is enough for a biology experiments. So I'm just stopping that. So for weighing this weighing balance is enough. It's working fine also. 2 batteries are needed for this thing. So weighing, pH, media, everything is ready with me. So I will be doing the cultivation or culturing of microbes. The microbe which I am intended to isolate. I am going to isolate that microbe, and I am trying to build up a incubator, and I am trying to build up a shaking incubator or orbital shaker like apparatus too, both DIY. I am trying to build up my own so that I can proceed with the melanin production. I will next video I will update with that. Next video I will update with how I am going to culture the bacteria. Then next videos I will be updating how I am going to produce melanin using these microbes. So my research will be featured in this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and keep visiting to my $75 lab. It can be made possible. Now only I have taken $30, less than $30 for all these things, and I hope by $75 we can finish it. If not, also how much we will require for setting up a research lab, a minimal research lab. That is what I am thinking to target. My target will not be restricted to $75. Up to what will be the lowest amount we can use it for setting up a decent research lab, especially at least for my research. That is what I am focusing on. Every research cannot be done with this type of setup. I knew it, but my research. Thank you for viewing. Thank you.